To factorize this expression, we have to change to something times something times something format. So we'll consider the common factor first. If not, then we consider identities or cross factorization. We don't find any square term here, so it may not very effective to consider about identities. We should think about common factor. If we just look at these two terms, we'll find that PQ, RS are all different, so it's not very good to put them together. We try to change the position. For example, PQ together with negative 4PR here. Try to change the grouping method, and then plus 2RS together with minus 2QS here. Then we just consider group by group. The first group, we find that 4 is common. P is also common. So we should extract 4P here, and then we remain what inside. 4P removed, only Q is left from the first term. Similar reason, 4P is removed, only negative and R is left. Therefore, we focus in another part here. Just forget about the first part, and then we are going to extract 2, which is common, and also S, which is common. First term, take out 2 and S, we have positive R inside, or just R. Take out 2 and S, we have negative and Q here. And beware that because this is no longer the first term, we have something in front. So we have to write down plus 2S here. Don't forget that now there are two terms. The first term we have 4P, we have Q minus R. The second term we have negative 2S, we have R minus Q. We find that the brackets are highly related, but they're not exactly the same. So we have to think about some method. How can we change them exactly the same? One of the key points is we can change the order by extracting negative. R divided by negative will give you negative R here. Negative Q divided by negative, it will give you positive Q. So it will become negative 2S because negative is extracted outside here. So that's why we have negative 2S times Q minus R. The first term we didn't do anything, so we just simply copy down. Then it's quite obvious that we successfully create one common factor. Then we are going to extract the common factor here. If we extract Q minus R, then we have 4P is left, and we have negative 2S is left from the second term. And if we look here, we find that 4 and 2, there is still some common factor, which is 2. So we extract 2 also. Then we have 2P, we have negative S here. So 2P minus S, Q minus R, we know that the answer should be A.